In this video, I'll show you how to deposit your fund in Pocket option with Perfect Money. So as you can see, there is 15 USD in my Perfect Money, and I have bought this Perfect Money USD from some third party site. Okay, that is actually safe. And if you want to know about that site, I will reveal it after some time in this video. So keep watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, then make sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you want to watch lots of strategies video to trade binary options, then in Pocket option, then I have made a lot of strategy video that works like a charm. So do watch those videos too. I'll put all of those link in the description of this YouTube video. So now to deposit the fund in Pocket option with Perfect Money, you can either simply click on this top up, okay, and you can select the Perfect Money here, or if you are not seeing this kind of thing at here, okay, then what you can also do is you can just click on here and click on deposit. Now you'll see this kind of interface. If you want to use any other method to deposit your fund in Pocket option, then that's fine, you can use it, okay, or you just click on this Perfect Money. Now if you want to get some deposit bonus, like for example, if you are a new person, if you write here 50 start, okay, and apply it, then you will get up to 50% deposit bonus, okay. And if you want to get huge amount of deposit bonuses, okay, like first time when you deposit and in upcoming days also when you keep on depositing in the platform, then use the link that I have given in the description of this YouTube video to create your account on Pocket option, okay. And I have also a video on how to create and verify your Pocket option account, okay, in a step-by-step process. You can watch that video too to create your account and verify your Pocket option account, okay. So in order to deposit this Perfect Money, you just type, let me type 14.5, okay. So because Perfect Money costs some commission, okay, while depositing Pocket option doesn't charge any commission, okay. And with Perfect Money you can deposit minimum 5 USD, okay. And once you do this much, okay, and if you have some promo code, you can use it at here and just click on continue. Now you'll see this kind of interface. Just click on make a payment. Make sure the Perfect Money account is selected and click on make payment. Now you will see this kind of interface. Your member ID should be at here, okay, and your password should be at here. So if you have already logged into Perfect Money account in this way, then this will automatically be at here, okay. You don't need to make any changes, and just type this Turing number 1291211. So once you do this much, then click on preview payment. So now I need to verify my PIN which have arrived in my email address. So I'll put it at here quickly. Once you put your PIN code at here, you will see this kind of interface and it says payment complete. Now you can simply click on continue and you will be redirected to your Pocket option account and your fund will be deposited inside this platform. Now the site that you can use to buy Perfect Money is called easycards.com. I'll show you the proof. I have bought that $15 from this site, okay, easycards.com, okay. Just visit to this site and type Perfect Money at here and you'll see lots of options to buy Perfect Money. And in case if you want to buy $4, you can select this option, okay. Just click on select option, scroll below, put your Perfect Money USD account at here, okay, and then increase this number. Whatever amount you want to buy, just click on here and click on add to cart. Once it is added in cart, just click on here and just click on checkout. And here you can see you need to pay $30 to get $25 USD in Perfect Money account. Now if you don't have an account, you can create your account in few seconds, okay, and purchase your Perfect Money. Now let me show you how I bought this 15 USD from Easy Card. So this is my Easy Cards account, okay. I have 80 cents at here and let me click on orders. I keep on buying Perfect Money from this site, okay, whenever I need to. So this was my recent purchase, okay. This was 2023 317 completed. This was I paid in EGP, okay, but I would suggest you to pay in SAR, okay, SAR currency. Just click on view and you can see here Perfect Money top up 15 USD, okay. It cost me like this much, okay, and total EGP cost was this one. EGP means Egyptian pound, but you can pay with US dollar. Automatic USD to EGP conversion will be done, and you will need to pay some charges for that too. If you have any question, ask me in the comment section below, and don't forget to like this video. Bye bye.